Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Ethena. Wanted to do a video here. This has been one of the strongest performers since the election for multiple reasons, which we'll get into in this video. But basically, since Tuesday night, we're up 67%. So for those of you who got into this, congratulations. We talked about this briefly actually yesterday in my middle of the day market update. And we talked about that this would be interesting if we were actually to break above 42 cents right here. And we also talked about it in the Telegram group that it looked like it was most likely we would break above that level. But I did not buy. I mean, in the end, most of the move was actually, as you can see, a little bit late for me. Like when I went to bed, the price was still, I believe, around like 45 or 44. Which was still a great entry, but still. But all right, let's talk about Ethena here. So overall, looks good. I think the fundamental push behind this is very impressive, and that's for multiple reasons. All right. First of all, Ethena is DeFi. I think DeFi, and I've talked about this before, but I think DeFi is one of the big winners of a Trump presidency. All right. The DeFi has been one of the main categories attacked by the SEC. Ethena is DeFi, so now with hopefully some sort of a change in the governance by the SEC and the enforcement by the SEC, that's obviously very bullish for Ethena. But then if we talk about the fundamentals here, you can also see that the TVL for the last couple of weeks has started to increase again. Personally, I'm not that much of a fan of Ethena fundamentally. With what they're building, but it has amazing support by a ton of huge KOLs, aka influencers, etc., which certainly helps. And I mean, if you look at the structure here, this structure has been ridiculously bullish since the beginning of October, right? So it was to be expected that we would continue this. For me, the main price target is actually the listing price. All right. So what you can see is that there's a major key level right here around 60 all the way up to, I would say, 67. Let's say 70 to make it a little bit more to make it easier. I would say this is the main price target. As you can see on the daily time frame, we just hit a relatively significant level right here at the 200 EMA. And just in general, the market, I mean, we're seeing some bearish divergences for Bitcoin, for example. Ethereum just broke out, but it's going to be the question if this breakout will turn into a fake out or not. So I would say in general, looking at the markets, be careful. Looking at Ethena specifically though, like I said, fundamentally, I think the background and the picture for Ethena is very bullish. And then if you look at some other circumstances, such as the momentum right here, and the volume, it's all looking very, very bullish. All right, so I do not think Ethena is going into 60, 70 cents, that next level from here on out. That would be a massive move. It's a possibility. Like the markets right now are the most bullish I've seen them in the last 7 months or so. Would still be a big move. So for me, in my eyes, what I think is most likely is we have this level right here at 50 cents. We have another strong support level right here at 45 cents, which also lines up with the previous high right here and the 382 fib. I think it's slightly more likely for Ethena here that we have topped out and that we will now settle down, maybe get into some sort of a bullish flag like we also did right here, and then eventually actually gain momentum again to get into that level. I would say that's more likely, all right? More likely than just shooting up to that level in general. And given the circumstances in the market right now, I do not see this as the real top, after which we're going to be bearish. All right, I do think continuation is most likely still, just not in the next 24 hours. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.